Today we're just picking up where we left off from the Sparking Conversations project that was run. Kingborough Council is now doing some extra works in regards to that, continuing where they picked off. So we're going to be continuing down towards Allen's Rivulet Road and also on the other side of the highway down towards Huon Road.
Got a full team today, 2 trucks. There's going to be a lot of volume coming out, and we got traffic control here as well, just giving a hand, saving a lot of the gums for the swift parrots. Let's get it done.
So if you're working off the road edge and there's no road verge to speak of, we're working 4 metres off the edge. When you get coming into stuff like this, instead of removing the whole tree, potentially you could just prune it up to 2 metres and that'll stop any of the fire coming through and ripping up the tree. If you have it a lot of densely packed stuff like this all together, rather than trying to prune a whole heap and bring it up, it'll just be easier to cut out a few so you can punch some holes in it.
2 metres, 2 metres.
2 metres height. Yeah, if you had a massive cluster, you could take it out, but if it's the only thing there, you still want to retain some kind of natural value.
Yeah.
As long as it's not posing a fire risk. And